Hello guys, what's up, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you this video right here. This is so painful to watch, but it's okay. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this is nose piercing, so let's see what's up with this.
How you doing?
Virus.
Tujuh.
Why she just walk like that? Come on, man. This is so painful. You guys can see that she's running away from the scene. Okay, this is like nose piercing is so painful. So I'm trying to read some of the comments right here. Let me share them with you guys right here. That we have some comments. Okay. Why is she running like that, guy? Let
How
me
you
go
doing?
back again. Hold on, come on.
Virus.
Come
Tujuh.
on, come on, lady.
How you doing?
Virus.
One more time, guys. Come on.
Tujuh.
That must be
How you
very
doing?
painful indeed. Okay, so let's take a look at the comment here, comment section. A minute, like 11,000 views. I want to do this, but I'm scared. This guy right here and one here, guy, you have made my day. So people are laughing like it's like a joke, but it is not a joke. This is so painful. I don't blame her, or especially when you do yours by yourself. This is crazy, you know. I know how painful is that thing is. Still remember the pain about 22 years ago. So people are experiencing like it hurt a lot. It got hurt, especially when you are doing it alone without anybody helping you. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button. Bye bye.